Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konasenkov mengklaim punya data nama-nama tentara bayaran di Ukraina. Tentara bayaran di Ukraina berasal dari 63 negara, terbanyak dari Eropa. Tentara bayaran dari Polandia paling banyak dengan total 1.835 orang. Namun 944 sudah hilang. Sebanyak 544 orang tewas dan 347 memilih pulang. Igor mengklaim Rusia memiliki data-data tentara asing di pihak Ukraina. Saya beri contoh, pada tanggal 6 Juli 2 warga negara Inggris, Colin Scott dan Adrian Davis, dan 3 warga negara Amerika Serikat, Michael Vučkovic, Andrew Fox dan Oliver Sot, tiba di pusat pengumpulan dan akomodasi tentara bayaran asing di Jalan 1 Kosmian di kota Zamość, Polandia. Kami menyarankan seluruh tentara bayaran asing untuk sadar dan kembali ke rumah hidup-hidup, kata Igor.
Russian Defense Ministry monitors and records by name all foreign mercenaries who have arrived in Ukraine to take part in combat operations. As we have already mentioned, contrary to the false claims of the Kiev regime about allegedly 20,000 of foreign mercenaries arriving to Ukraine, their actual number is much lower. Moreover, it is steadily declining. Over the past 3 weeks, the number of mercenaries in Ukraine has decreased from 3,221 to 2,741 as a result of the offensive actions of the units of the Russian Armed Forces and People's Militia of Lugansk and Donetsk People's Republics. During this time, despite the arrival of another 151 mercenaries, 391 militants have been killed. Another 240 wild geese rushed to flee outside Ukraine. Poland again tops the list in terms of speed and number of fighters killed during the period, with 166 Polish fighters killed. Among the Georgian representatives, 50 soldiers of fortune were killed. The United Kingdom lost another 23 mercenaries in Ukraine. Also, 21 Romanian and 15 Canadian fighters were killed in 3 weeks. Updated data on the count of foreign mercenaries currently in Ukraine has been published on the Russian Defense Ministry's information resources on the internet. Once again, the Russian armed forces are identifying foreign mercenaries even as they prepare to enter Ukraine. I will give one example. On July 6, 2 British citizens, Colin Scott and Adrian Davis, and 3 US citizens, Michael Vučkovic, Andrew Fox and Oliver Sot, arrived at the foreign mercenary collection and accommodation center located at 1 Kosmian Street in Poland's Zamość city. We advise these citizens to come to their senses and return home alive. Let me remind you that under international humanitarian law, all foreign mercenaries are non-combatants, and the best that awaits them if captured alive is a trial and maximum terms of imprisonment.